Hello, everyone. Welcome back to summer 2020. This is Mr. Lopez. I'm here with Mrs. Luyando. We are going to go over the vocabulary. We're going to start with Burlington Core High Beginners vocabulary practice regarding workplace, the workplace. Okay. So the vocabulary that we are going to learn today is about making small talk. Okay. It's an expression. In English, making small talk is when you're referring to speaking to someone about anything. Nothing really in depth, nothing really serious. Just make a little conversation to get to know someone or simply to pass the time, okay? So we'll get more into it as we get familiar with this vocabulary. So we are going to talk about few words and I would like you to repeat them, and then we're going to analyze each one of these sentences. That's what we'll do, okay? If you have any questions, please write it down and ask me those questions as we go, okay? Or you can type it here. Alrighty, so let's begin with the first one. The one that says all day long.
All day long.
All day long. It's an expression.
All day long.
All day long. Notice that the vowels a, they are long vowels. All day long.
All day long.
Now, when you hear it in a sentence, you can have something such as this.
What did you do all day long?
What did you do all day long? What did you do all day long?
What did you do all day long?
What did you do all day long? So when you're referring to someone, when you're talking to someone, making small talk, this is one of the sentences, one of the questions that you might want to ask, okay? What did you do all day long? Now, this is to put a little graphic into it. All day long refers to 24 hours, most of the day, right? All day long. Some people work all day long. Some people play sports all day long. Some people went to work or travel. What did you do all day long today? What did you do? All right, so let's continue with exploring the vocabulary. Let's go to the next one. The next one says around here. Around here. 2 words.
Around here.
Around here.
Around here.
Around here. One more time.
Around here.
Around here. Okay, let's put this in a sentence. Is there a college around here?
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 Is there a college around here? What's around here? Well, around here. Around. In the area. Is there a college around here? Well, if we really think about it, we have few colleges around here, okay? We have Eastern Florida, which has different campuses around Brevard County. There's one in Wiccan, between Lake Washington by Wiccan Park. There is one in Cocoa, and there's also one in Palm Bay, right? Right next to San Filippo. So there are other colleges, right? There's a private college. It's called FIT, Florida Institute of Technology, FIT. That is located in Babcock, really near Palm Bay High School, where we are located, right? Around here. Around. Let's put around. Around here. Notice this person is pointing here, but he could turn around and point here, around here, in the area, around here. Let's continue with the next one. Break. Break.
break, break,
Break. Notice that the E and the A make the sound of it's a long sound, right? Break. Break. Let's put that in a sentence.
let's take a break for lunch.
Let's take a break for lunch. One more time.
Let's take a break for lunch.
Let's take a break for lunch. Take a break, right? If you play basketball, you know this sign, right? Take a break. Time out. Take a break. Take a break. Sometimes we take a break when we are at work. We need to take a break, right? The law establishes that at work you need to take a 15-minute break. If you work 8 hours, it will be half hour. If you work 4 hours, it's 15 minutes, and so on and so forth. Break. Break. Sometimes we take breaks. We need that in order to survive. Let's look at this. Break, right? So maybe you have a 15-minute break. Maybe you only have 5-minute break. Some people have coffee breaks. Some people have a cigarette break. Let's take a break, okay? Maybe some people have breaks to go and eat something. Break. It's a little bit of time that you take from whatever it is that you are doing at that time. Let's take a break. Let's go back to the next word that is important for us to go over. I'm going to jump up and talk about make small talk, okay? Make small talk. That will be right here. We're going to jump this for a little bit.
Make small talk. Make small talk.
Make small talk. Make small talk. Okay, let's put that in a sentence.
It's important to make small talk with your coworkers.
It's important to make small talk with your coworkers.
It's important to make small talk with your coworkers.
It is important to make small talk with your coworkers. The small talk doesn't have to be too important or too deep. Could be about the weather. Could be about what is it that you did during the day, okay? Could be about sports, okay? I don't recommend for you to make small talk with politics or religion, but small talk could be something simple. So let's look at something like this. You know, you can talk about these two people don't know each other, but they might get to know each other, and they're talking about maybe the weather. Maybe they're talking about food or something that they drink that they feel that is good. Or maybe they're talking about sports, you know. Making small talk is to get to know someone. You look great today, like this lady is saying to someone. Oh, thank you. I appreciate you too. Thank you. You can make a small talk about anything that is going on, right? Oh, I hope everybody's well. I hope everybody's healthy. Based on the conditions of the pandemic, right? Things are getting better as we go. So small talk doesn't have to be in depth. Can be something small, could be something with not importance at all. Small talk. Making small talk.
Make small talk.
Now, let's go back to another word that I really, really want you to concentrate, okay? And that's something that might make people a little bit confused, okay? And that is the word every day. All day long, every day. Notice how every day here is together.
Every day.
Every day.
Every day.
Every day.
Every day.
Every day.
Traffic and weather are good everyday topics for small talk.
Traffic and weather are good everyday topics for small talk.
Traffic and weather are good everyday topics for small talk.
Traffic and weather are good everyday topics for small talk. Topics, themes, right? Subjects that we can discuss. The traffic was horrible today. Well, the traffic was good today. Okay, the small talk, yeah, I didn't see much cars. Or you can say, yes, there was lots of cars. The traffic was horrible. That's a small talk, right? Now, when you talk about the weather, you can refer about, oh, it was really, I hope it doesn't rain today. Oh, it was really sunny today. You know, a small talk that doesn't really bring you to an in-depth, very profound conversation. Now, every day, what we're going to talk to you about today, and we're going to leave it here, and then I'm going to switch this to Mrs. Loyando, is the word every day. The word every day, when it's together, is an adjective. You're referring to things, for example, here. Traffic and weather are good everyday topics, okay? This word right here, the adjective is modifying the noun, which is topics. Now, when you see everyday separate, every day, then you're talking about something else, okay? So, this is something that we are going to be talking about today a little bit, and I'll go back to you. So, the difference between everyday and everyday, as you can see it right here, every day with one word and every day separately, is that every day is an adjective. This one right here, as you can see right here, right? That's an adjective. And every day right here is two words, okay? Which means each day. So let's read what it says. Every day as one word is an adjective, okay? For example, it's a mundane or ordinary and is standard as a synonym, like everyday clothing. Something that refers or modifies the clothing. Everyday clothing then refers to an ordinary clothes you wear on regular days, as opposed to outfits designated for social events or holidays. Occasionally, people use everyday as noun. It is a shorthand way of referring to their everyday routines, right? So that will be every day. Every day means each day. The easiest way to remember this is to think about the space separating the two words. Because of that space, every, simple, and adjective modifying the word day. Okay? So every day and every day. So here are some examples. It is a sweaty foot season. So think week Kinja Co-op. We're on the hunt for the best everyday's men's sock. So here it's talking about the socks, everyday socks. So it's an adjective. It's like a blue men's socks. So that would be the adjective. Now here in this other sentences, we're using everyday differently. For example, for most Brazilians, everyday crime is a much more imminent threat than terrorism. The New York Times was said that. That, as you can see, every day in this case is an adjective because it's together. Now look at this one right here. But the real point is this: you need to think and act like you are selling your business every day. Every day in this case is separated, every day, and means each day. That is the difference between every day and every day. So we're going to discuss this a little more in depth. So right now I would like you to go back to your vocabulary and we'll continue going over some of the words, okay? So we left it at every day. We can continue with have a baby.
Have a baby.
Have a baby, right? Some of us.
My friends had a baby last week.
My friends had a baby last week. Okay, this is a very pleasant thing to have around us, a baby, right? How many of you guys have babies at this point, in this moment in time? I'm sure you're having a very interesting time. Well, I'm going to give this to Mrs. Luyando, but I will talk to you soon and let's discuss.